Welcome to this quick video, folks. This is an Esp32. I've done a lot of videos on these. Great value. Bluetooth Wi-Fi. To the right side there is the built-on antenna, PCB antenna. What I'm going to show you in this video is how to convert it to SMA, so you can use a load of different antennas like these, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth antennas. Oh, they're on the same frequency, so basically we're going to improve what it can receive, and if you're using it as a transmitter, transmission range will be greatly improved by using one of these antennas. It'll look like that. How cool is that? Here is our Esp32 C3 for a cheap and cheerful. These are great, these are. For the cost of them, you can't go wrong. Next thing we need is our SMA PCB mount connector. These are female, as you can see. Well, these are a bit long actually. I'll be using these for some RF amplifiers we're building, but I've got a smaller version which is ideal. That'll look a bit neater. From AliExpress. They work great. So there's the two parts. Okay, this RF connector will be mounted about here, just like that. And will almost look factory when complete. Cool. Alright, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to scrape the covering that's going over the actual antenna. So just be careful doing this. Just gradually wear it away, and it will come off, as you can see. I don't need to do this bit really, so I'll concentrate on the output side, which is just here. As you can see now, the bare copper is exposed. You see that scraped right through. Now there, I don't know if you can see that, hopefully you can. There's a little inductor there. So that is the RF output, just here. Now what might surprise you, if you're not too familiar with RF, at these type of frequencies, is just here is the ground. That's quite surprising, isn't it? So basically, that's the ground pin here. Ground pin. Obviously the RF shield's grounded. And so is the antenna. So the RF output is directly connected to ground. Now in this video I'm not going to explain to you why. Please do your research and leave it in the comments. I know why. But it will surprise some beginners. But the RF output is connected to ground. This is antenna. Okay folks, next we're going to completely separate the antenna, so disconnect it basically, and also we're going to disconnect the RF output to ground here, so we can use the ground and RF output then for our SMA connector. Be careful here folks, do not cut your fingers, so just be careful. Just put a line across and just sort of dig it out. Like that should do it, I think. One very simple test. Yep. So next we're going to separate the ground from the RF. So just be very careful. Okay, let's just confirm that it's all separated. So here's your ground, remember, and here's your RF output. So yeah, indeed it is. Now our RF connector is going to go exactly there. Aye, how perfect is that going to be? Look at that, that lines up perfect, doesn't it? Aye, that's it, good stuff. Like I say in all my video folks, always use flux. Always. Cleans the metal and makes soldering a whole lot easier. Okay, I'm just going to drop a bit of solder on. Perfect. Now the inside of this SMA connector, I'm just going to drop a bit of flux. It's just going to help. You could even tin it with the soldering on if you want. Okay folks, that's all ready to solder in now. That'll just drop in there nicely, won't it? Cool. Just a tiny bit of flux. Okay folks, let's get it soldered in there. A bit more difficult with the camera and light and everything, so we'll give it a go, shall we? Perfect. Well, that was the ground done now, just got the RF output. Lovely. How simple is that? Look at that. Aye, almost looks factory, doesn't it? Now you see underneath you can drop a bit of hot glue under here now. So just put a bit of hot glue underneath just to secure it, so it won't go anywhere. But that is looking good. And what I can do is just give it a quick test, just to make sure it's all wired up and all soldered properly and ground. Yeah, that's good. Make sure it's not yep, that's good, that's separated from the RF and RF, so we'll do just before the inductor. And yeah, perfect. Okay, we're just going to secure it now a bit more. So underneath we'll just put a bit of hot glue there. What are you going to do at the top? I like to see where it's all soldered and that. So just put a drop of hot glue out. Cool. Simple as that. That hot glue's dried now. That is going nowhere. Solid. Looks good, doesn't it? Hey, great job really. That's it now. You can use whatever antenna you like now. That's the modified version. Standard version. A lot better range. Oh, this is just a quick ad. This is a product I will be selling in the next month or so. It's a very high range audio transmitter. There's your microphone. It will have a cover over that, but it connects via Wi-Fi, and it's got a range of 2 to 300 meters. It's got a dipole antenna built in. Very powerful, and you can hear a pin drop in a room. The software has took me a long time for this. I won't be sharing the code for that because this is a commercial product. But it's small. Connect directly with your phone, or you can connect this to your router at home and connect your phone to your router to hear the microphone. Great. That's connected now. That's plugged in to the power bank. Connect via Wi-Fi. Connected ASP mic. You go to 192.168.4.1, and there's your software. Start the transmitter, mute. There's your speeds, your latency, your tones, you got your bass, your mid, treble, reset, microphone gain, RF power adjustment, Wi-Fi channel adjustment, theme adjustment. You can have it whatever colour you want. That's if you want to connect via your router and use your phone to connect to your router. And temperature settings, I've got to adjust that, it looks a bit strange at the bottom, but that will be fixed for the final product. 1, 2. 1, 2. Testing. Testing. Yeah. 1, 2 testing. 1, 2 testing. Bit of echo. I'll turn it off quickly. Yeah, so these will be on sale soon. Great, aren't they? We'll give it a quick test now. In transmitter mode, like this is double the range. But I have some special microphones, transmitters, using these antennas, and they go twice the distance. Let's just plug it in. That's it, just put it on the windowsill over here. There we go, plugged into a power bank. Let's just connect to the Esp32 Wi-Fi scanner. It's already connected. No, got a simple Wi-Fi scanner here. Scan networks. 7. Not too bad actually. Found 7. Let's do it again quickly. 6. Oh, not too bad actually. Found 6 networks. There aren't many around here, to be honest. Okay, I'll try this now. Let's get a quick test. No, definitely should be an improvement. 10. That's definitely more. And minus 58 dBm. So definitely an improvement. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed that video, folks. Just shows you can stick an SMA on, so you can use various different antennas. With these built-on PCB antennas, they work okay. At least now you can use an antenna like that. Please like and subscribe. See you all soon, folks.